Good morning, everyone. Today is topic chapter 2, meaning, scope, and importance of statistics in economics. यानी हम आज पढ़ रहे हैं, स्टडी कर रहे हैं अर्थशास्त्र में सांख्यिकी का अर्थ, क्षेत्र और महत्व। ठीक है। मीनिंग ऑफ स्टैटिक्स। The term statistics has been derived from the Latin word status, which means political state. German have spelled it is statics. The term statistics was first used by German scientist Gottfried Ecknewall in 1749. He is known as the father of statistics. In the ancient times, for the smooth functioning of the state, kings used to collect different types of statistical data. Data regarding population and land were collected, which enabled them to draw inference regarding the number of people residing in their state, their earnings, and total contribution towards the state. In the ancient times, statistics was also known as a science of state and science of kings. Statistics means data or facts in figures like population explosion in India or any other incident like inverse relation between demand of commodity and its price. Technically, the word statistics is used in two distinct sense, singular and plural. देखिएगा, सांख्यिकी का से अगर हम अभिप्राय जानें तो ऐसी स्थिति में सांख्यिकी का अभिप्राय होता है संख्यात्मक सूचना या उनसे संबंधित परिणाम और उसका निष्कर्ष। और इसका अभिप्राय जो होता है आंकड़ों के औसतों या समूह से है, जिनका किसी है ना, जैसे कि भारत में जनसंख्या वृद्धि या किसी घटना, जैसे किसी वस्तु की मांग तथा कीमत में विपरीत संबंध से होता है। और ऐसे व्यक्ति के संबंध में किसी संख्यात्मक सूचना, जैसे आपके 2 भाई या 3 बहन हैं, वो सांख्यिकी नहीं माना जाता। और सांख्यिकी शब्द का प्रयोग मुख्य रूप से 2 अर्थों में किया जाता है, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, यानी एक वचन के रूप में और दूसरा बहुवचन के रूप में। ठीक है। स्टैटिस्टिक्स इन प्लूरल सेंस। In the plural sense, statistics means numerical facts systematically collected. Thus, the simple meaning of statistics in plural sense is data. Okay. By data or statistics, we mean quantitative facts that are used in economics. For example, a statement in economics like the production of rice in India has increased from 39.58 million tons in 1974 to 75 to 58.64 million tons in 1984 to 85 is a quantitative fact. The numerical figures such as a 39.58 million tons and 58.64 million tons are statics of the production of rice in India for 190.74.75 and 190.84.85 respectively. Okay. Various economists have defined statics in plural sense. They are as the following. Horace Sacrist. By statics we mean aggregate of facts of affected to a market accent by multiplicity of cases numerically expressed enumerated for of are estimated according to a responsible standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. Yule and Kendall. By statics we mean quantitative data affected to a market accent by multiplicate of cases. Walsh and Roberts. Statics are numerical descriptions of the quantitative aspect of things, and they take from the counts and measurements. ओके, यहाँ तक अच्छे से रीड करिएगा, समझिएगा. ठीक है, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू.